Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. So somebody sent me this file, and they think they're doing everything right to do the fisheye effect. And you can see I've got a round surface, and with that selected, I'm going to go to Effects and Lens, and then select the fisheye. And it does not transfer those white dots. There is something there. You can kind of see something fragmentation. I asked him how he created these dots, and you can see when you move it, it's got like a bitmap effect. He actually put a black dot with a white dot and then fuzzed the white dot. So I started playing around with it, and I came up pretty close, but not using that process. I took a black dot, and then I took the interactive fill tool and just kind of made a mark, and then went to this elliptical, and you can already see what I'm doing. Go back to that, move it more in the center, maybe bring it down a little bit, and just have a smudge. Let's see this thing. Oh, it's way too big. Well, for the video, it's okay. I'm going to make my nudge factor 4.5. And I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to make a duplicate of a bunch of them just to make sure it works. Control D, and then I'm going to cut that in half. So I need 2.25, and I'm going to take that next layer and just kind of nudge it over. Then I can nudge twice. Control D and nudge twice, actually 4 times. Let's do one more, and then we have. Now, when you use the fisheye effect, you have to group it together. Go to Object, Group. It's got to be one group. And then you take your elliptical, circle, anything will work. And that's selected, and then go to the Lens Effect, Fisheye, and now you can see, and when you go to Frozen, you can see it kept those white dots. And what's kind of cool about this is, and you can play around with the strength. You can actually take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in with, let's try a yellow, and get a whole different look. So, Gaussian blur doesn't work, but that does. He's been doing some pretty unique stuff. You can see where he's lost the dots. That's pretty cool right there. Well, that's a little different. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.